Hi, welcome to our third week of Sociology 101. This is our first recording for the lectures for this week, and I will be giving you the answer to quiz question 1. So our topic for this week is deviance and social control, and I'll ask you to pause the video now and go grab your lecture quizzes. Okay, so now that you're back, we will just talk about the assignments. So this week's assignments, I know this week we have the 4th of July on Wednesday, but we still have a full week's worth of assignments because this is such a short class, only 6 weeks long. We have to keep busy with everything. So we do have a discussion board this week. There's a response journal, a lecture and a lecture quiz, which you're completing now, and a midterm exam. So the midterm exam will open the day after 4th of July on Thursday, July 5th at 12 noon, and then it will stay open until Saturday, July 7th at 11:59 p.m. Once you begin, you will have 60 minutes to complete the exam, and you must complete it all in one sitting. Don't change your, to another open tab on your browser. Keep it right there on the exam, or it will, Canvas will submit your exam for you. There are absolutely no makeups on the exam, so please plan accordingly and contact me if you have any issues. Now, once in a while something happens where someone's computer goes down or something like that. I'm going to ask you, if something like that happens, to email me right away. Don't email me later. Email me right away if you have a computer problem or power outage or something like that right in the middle of your exam, and I will help you as soon as I can. What else can I tell you? I guess the answer to the quiz question is the last one, where it says that the midterm exam opens on Thursday, July 5th at 12 noon and closes on Saturday, July 7th at 11:59 p.m. Now, to help you study for the midterm exam, there has been a study guide up since the first day of class. You can find it on the modules page at the very top. Also, the lectures will help you to study for the exam, the readings, and the videos. If you have found a broken link to a video, you can be assured that that video will not be on your exam. Now, I suggest that you use your study guide to help guide your reading in the class. And if you see something that is on the study guide, you should probably go over it in the lecture and the readings. So the lecture videos are all still up, so you can look at them again if you want to. And again, the videos, I mean, really nothing from the videos is on your midterm exam. But be sure to use your study guide, the lectures, and the reading. All right, so quiz questions number 2 through 5 will be on the remaining videos. And I just want to wish you very good luck on your exam, and email me if you have any problems at all, and I will be there to help you. Okay,